everybody, good evening, and welcome to Coffee Chat, where we brew bold conversation and inspiring stories. So, for today, we have a special guest and hindi ko na papatagalin pa dahil feeling ko marami kaming mapag-uusapan because he is one of my long and close friends in the industry. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a commercial model and a professional theater actor, Daven! Woo! Welcome!
Hello.
Muntik ka nung magkaroon ng boses today.
Yeah. Kasi naman in-hospital tayo, di ba? Pero ito, lumalaban pa rin.
Lumalaban pa rin. So,
Yes.
disclaimer lang, hindi po ganito talaga yung boses na Daven.
Ano ito? Naka-voice changer.
Naka-voice changer, may effects. So, Daven, welcome to the talk show. We're happy
Hi.
you're here.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here.
Of course.
Wow.
So we have coffee here. So feel free lang to like drink whenever you feel like. Pero this conversation really is very chill lang. And the purpose of this like live talaga is yung series na to is for other people to be inspired to also go for what their heart wants.
Sana all my heart.
Sana all my heart. So
Just kidding.
ayun. Siguro let's first give a little bit of a background story sa ating mga audience on so you're a commercial model right now and a professional theater actor. Where did it all start?
It's a very long story, kasi nag-start ako in theater like way back in college talaga. So nung time na yun, wala talaga akong hilig sa mga ganito, like this industry, ganyan. Until one time kasi may napanood ako na it's a theater play sa isang university. Sabi ko, wow, kung masaya palang sumali sa ganung group. And then, nag-try lang ako mag-audition without any background. Tapos nagulat na lang ako na shortlist na hanggang nagtuloy-tuloy na siya.
Wow.
Yes, and then dito kay Direct naman with First Son, if you could remember, di ba? Actually, magka-batch po kami.
Yeah, sabay kami nag-audition.
So, yung nag-audition.
Tapos same kami ng audition piece, which is?
Sa part of that world. O, inunahan kita noon.
Naunahan niya ako, so nag-iba ako on the spot.
Yeah, so it's like, that's pre-pandemic, di ba? Parang 3 months before the lockdown. So, kaya ang haba ng training namin kasi from face-to-face, nag-shift pa kami into online. Na classes. Yeah. So, yun. Hanggang sa nagtuloy-tuloy, and then nagkaroon tayo ng commercial, digital ads, and then theater plays. Ito nga, lately.
Right.
Yan.
So, I'm excited to dig deep into his journey kasi it is inspirational. Pero siguro, so, you only found out about this industry na gusto mo siyang i-pursue when you were younger. I mean, sorry, when you were in college.
Yes.
Pero when you were younger, hindi mo talaga siya...
Hindi ko talaga siya naisip.
Okay.
Siguro, ang naging inspiration ko lang doon, sabi ko, sige, itry natin. Kasi, I have one friend in college na hindi siya part. Well, nung college kasi we have what we called like tanghalang SLU. We have the dance group tsaka Glee Club. They are all under CCE, Center for Culture and the Arts. And yung isang classmate that time, she's from dance group. Uy, try mo kasi feeling ko bagay ka dito. So sabi ko, sige na nga, itry natin. Wala naman mawawala. Then, as an OA, charot. Diba? Hanggang dun na, nagtuloy-tuloy siya. Hindi ko rin na-expect na papasok ako sa industry na to. So,
yun. Yeah, and you're flourishing.
Right.
So, hello everybody sa mga nanonood. Feel free to drop any comments. Kung may tanong po kayo on the commercial modeling industry or the theater acting industry, feel free to drop them below. Nandito si Daven to answer your questions. Right. So, ayun. So, it started lang nung college. Now, I'd like to talk more about, siguro, kasi maraming misconceptions about the modeling industry na it's only for like thin people, na mga payatot na people, or like, not on the heavier side. And I feel like a lot of people needs to hear more that modeling in this day and age na lang talaga is not really about your weight anymore. Of course, there are certain parts or certain roles na kailangan talaga may specific
body type.
Yeah. Pero at the same time, di ba parang it you're a living testament that everyone can go for whatever they want as long as may perseverance and
Yes, correct.
determination.
Actually, there's a lot of parang insecurities, 'di ba? When it comes kapag medyo malaking body type mo, ay kailangan ko magpapayat or what so. Pero nalaman ko lang in this industry nung nandito na ako that meron kang specific category if you have this specific body type. So, for those individuals na wanted to try modeling, commercial TVs, mga ganyan, TV ads, no, don't be discouraged whatever your body type is. No, kasi merong certain requirement sa isang TVC or sa isang show or play, no, na hindi po pwede sa, let's say, sabihin natin sa mga type A na talents,
Yeah.
'di ba? Na ang hinahanap nila yung mga may body type sa medyo malalaki, ganyan. Kasi hindi mo naman pwede ilain yung payatot as bouncer, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Ano?
True.
So, yeah, don't be discouraged. I know merong mga inisip natin, ay baka hindi ako tanggapin dyan kasi ganito, ang laki-laki ko, ang daming mas may itsura dyan. But believe me, sa totoo lang, mas mahirap minsan lumaban dun sa categories na ang dami-dami ninyo.
No, yeah, for sure.
Versus yung you have the kasi ang tawag nila din is character talents like me, na hinahanap nila, uy, kapag may hinahanap sa casting na, uy, kailangan namin na medyo malaki. So parang isa na ako doon sa, sige, ako na po, papasa po.
Tapos konti na lang kayo doon na parang, kasi once na, di ba, ma-narrow down yung description na we need this, na medyo malaki, konti na lang yung pwede mo pumasok doon sa certain description na yun. And kayo yun, di ba? So,
kami na lang to. Kaya kapag, ay, kayo na naman. Hindi, joke lang.
kayo na naman.
Kayo na naman,
Yeah.
hindi, joke lang.
So it really goes to show na whatever height you are, whatever your body type is, if you really want something, syempre, we should admit that the world does give more kind of privilege ba to people who are like more on the attractive side, more
Yeah.
on the slimmer side. But that also doesn't mean that you are disqualified right there and then. Because I also have like friends really in the modeling industry who are on the bigger side as well. So let's read the comments. Hi, sabi ni Peter Charles. Good evening, everyone. Sabi ni Direk Rodel.
Hi, Direk.
Hi. Ayun. Hello, everybody. Please comment down below. Say hi to us. So, ayun. But was there ever kind of like a time, Deven, na you also had that same insecurity na, oh, I'm kind of on the bigger side. I don't think I can even penetrate the industry. And,
Yeah. Actually, marami para halos, lalo na nung time na wala akong makuhang commercial. Kasi, to be honest, kailangan mo talaga siyang trabahuhin.
True.
Hindi naman siya like, bigla na lang, uy, one click, gusto ko to, akin na to. Hindi siya ganun You really have to work hard to get that. Kasi parang nag-a-apply sa trabaho, diba, kailangan mo ilatag yung job applications mo, your picture, set cards, and everything. So, nung time before I got my first digital ad, sabi ko, ano ba, para dito ba talaga ako sa industry na to? Kasi, walang pumapasok Diba, buti na lang, naisipan nila direct na gumawa ng series during that time.
Yeah.
Diba, yung first series natin was In Love with the Series.
Oh, kala ko nakalimutan mo yung parang nag-blanco yung eyes niya for a moment.
Iniisip ko kasi nakadilaw ako dun. Ano nga ba yun? Hindi, joke lang. That was In Love the Series, di ba? So, sabi ko, ay, chance ko na to kasi eto na binigyan ka na ng starting point.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kumbaga, break mo na yun. So, kailangan do your best na.
Right.
Yun. So, marami kang pagdadaanan na insecurities about, bakit si nakakuha agad? Ilang months pa lang. Well, ang masasabi ko doon is that you just have to wait for your time.
Yeah.
Kasi may kanya-kanya tayong time We have our own phase in life.
Yeah.
What?
Wow.
Phase in life.
It's life.
Yeah, you just have to wait for your time.
Right. And it's really so true, no? Even if you fit the conventionally attractive type dito sa industry na to, you will still get a lot of rejections. You still need to like try multiple times before you even get your first project. And siguro, meron na lang talaga mga swerte sa buhay na
Yeah.
in their first few tries, meron na agad. Pero for the most of people, you really have to up your chances of getting lucky. Kasi we should like if we admit man or hindi, any success in life really is hard work, perseverance, talent, and luck.
Exactly.
Hindi talaga mawawala yung luck factor. So
Yeah.
even if you're very hardworking, you're very talented, if hindi mo pa time, if hindi pa dumarating yung swerte sa life mo, you just have to power through, 'di ba? Laban
Exactly.
lang, laban ng laban.
Alam mo, hindi ko makakalimutan yan, parating sinasabi ni Direk. Well, if you're trying to build yourself, at least you have the knowledge, you have the skill, you have the right attitude. Pero kung ginawa mo na yung lahat ng yan at wala pa rin, maybe you have to search for your luck. Kaya, alam mo, hindi naman masama to try having some lucky charms, diba? Or ipagdasal mo siya parati na sana dumating yung time mo that you will be able to get part of a specific role or show, diba? So talagang apat siya, hindi po pwedeng mawala yung luck.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Luck really is part of the equation. And yun nga, parang doon din pumapasok yung importance of you trying and trying. Kasi if you try and try again, you increase the chances of like at least one door opening for you.
Yes.
So if you really want this, you really need to have yung makapal na muka to keep on knocking and knocking until you finally get
Totoo
a
yan.
door open.
You just have to continue kung yung first na-reject ka, pasa ka ulit.
Yeah.
Pasa ka ulit.
Yeah, and I think also one very good skill dito sa sabi ni Sir Loy, hi.
Hi,
Po,
Loy.
Sir Loy. And I think also one very good skill or siguro trait sa pagiging model or pagiging artist is kailangan mabilis kang mag-move on.
Yes. Correct.
Kasi kung hindi ka mabilis mag-move on, then you just get stuck in one situation. Ang hirap.
Exactly.
Right.
Like, what happened to me previously, kasi nakailang final casting na ako eh. Kaya lang, the problem is, pag final casting, it's either may problema ako sa internet, or biglang nag-close na siya kasi may napili na pala. Well, unfortunately, for that, siguro hindi mo pa talaga time that time. So, move on ka, then continue, di ba?
True.
Tuloy-tuloy ka lang dapat eh. Kasi the moment na makuha mo yung momentum mo, nandun ka na eh.
True, true. Tsaka, ang hirap din nung first rejection mo, no? Aminin natin, yung first rejection natin sa industry, we thought you were there na kasi nasa final casting na kami. Parang, oh my gosh, higher chances of me getting here. And then, hindi ka na binalikan.
Hindi ka binalikan. Kasi may nakuha na pala. Kaasar.
Yeah. Let's see the comments. Meron ba? Ayan. Sabi ni Mami Ray, gandang gabi. Gandang gabi, Mami Ray. Hello. Hi, Anna and Devin. Hello po. So, if you have any questions, again, just drop them down in the comment section below. So, ako may tanong ako. Inside of this industry, napag-usapan natin that you really need to try and try again. And kailangan mabilis mag-move on from pain. Kasi kung hindi, may iwanan ka ng industriya. How do you cope with the feeling of failure?
Failure, Well, kasi what happened to me when I had my first rejection, na nung nasa final, andun eh, akala mo, mapipenetrate mo na eh. Well, siguro sa akin, you just have, nag-pray lang ako, Lord, sabi ko, kung hindi pa to talaga para sa akin, maybe I'll try sa iba. Try again, maghanap ka ng ibang casting and what. And then, siguro very lucky lang din ako kasi dito sa natin, sa team natin, sa production natin, Direk is also offering theater. So, sa akin hindi ko masyadong feel eh. Kasi meron pang ibang outputs. Right? Like right now, ang dami-daming theater play, halos sunod-sunod nga ang schedules natin, right? So, for me, hindi ko siya masyadong nararamdaman kasi may isa pa akong output. It is theater.
Right.
Yun.
So, just keep yourself busy.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, for sure. May comments sa comment section. Let's see po. Sabi ni Mami Ray, ang sakit nung hindi ka na binalikan. Yes, for sure. Lalo na yung first time na hindi ka nabalikan. Sabi ni Peter, sa lahat po ng nasabi ni Sir Deven, yung character skill, yung kabaitan po, tapos yung wala pa rin, nahanapin na po yung luck. What if luck comes first po?
Di good
Ah,
job.
good question. Good job.
At
Good for
maswerte
you.
mo, di ba? Swerte mo.
Pero siguro it depends siguro if you have at least a little tiny bit of skill and a little tiny bit of character, you're gonna be able to keep it up. Pero if wala kang character, so wala ka ring skill, ang hirap, no?
Medyo mahirap yun.
Yeah, ang hirap.
Well, siguro I would say the character itself, yung skills kasi yan, di ba, that we're talking about. Kailangan mo siyang i-enhance. Enhance. Sorry. Kailangan mo siyang enhance kasi through workshops, di ba? Kasi even though you have luck, kung makuha ka nga, tapos isinalang ka, and then, ay, ano ba yung skill niya?
Yeah.
Kaya mo niya umacting talaga, and something like that. Kailangan mo talagang enhance in time eh.
Yeah.
Hindi siya magic. Akala natin, dali lang naman umiyak eh. Dali lang naman umarte. But I would say, nabato na ako ng kutsara. Nabato na ako ng mug.
Ng tinidor.
I would say talaga, it's really an investment.
Yeah, for sure. I do agree na really, as if you do want to get inside of the modeling industry or like in the acting industry, you really need to invest in yourself. Parang the skills, the workshops, and you don't even have to pay for it kasi marami dyang free. You can start with the free ones just to like put your feet in the water, like test mo lang if it's actually for you. And then, you know, there will be people along the way who's gonna introduce you to the right workshops and the right places to be in.
Yeah, exactly. Pero siguro, dagdag ko lang.
Yeah, go.
No, but you have to choose kung saan ka mag-a-act or mag-workshop. Kasi right now, and dami kong nakikitang workshops na pasisigawin ka, like, isipin mo to, isipin mo yan. But it's not the right way of acting. Diba? Kumbaga, meron kasing mga methods na tinuturo. Like, you have to follow kung ano yung mga theories behind it. Hindi lang siya basta, sigaw mo to, isipin mo ganito. No, hindi siya ganun. So, you just have to find the right workshop na worth it talaga of your time.
Yeah, for sure. May mga techniques din dyan. Hindi lang basta iyak on cam, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Correct.
For sure. So, and also, Deven, di ba, I also know, since matagal tayong kakilala, is you juggle your full-time job ka dun, di ba?
Yeah.
You're able to juggle your full-time job and like the acting industry, the modeling. How do you do it?
Well, it will sound cliche, no, but it's really time management. Well, lucky for me kasi yung time ko it's really flexible. No, I can control yung time ko kung anong oras ko papasok. And mostly yung shift ko kasi graveyard, so sa gabi ako. And madalas naman ang activities natin in theater, in commercial modeling is umaga.
Yeah.
No, so sa akin, what I usually do talaga is, kailangan talagang ayusin. Like, for example, ahead of time, kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin for that evening or for that shift, dapat nakalatag na.
Yeah.
Kasi paano kapag biglang nag-overtime? Paano kapag biglang nag-extend kayo ng time sa tapings, diba? Sa shoots, sa rehearsals. So, whatever happened in the morning, dapat ready ka na on your next shift.
Right. Well, that's so nice. Time management talaga. And I think it's also important, it also kind of shows na it's really important for you to balance like your passion and like practicality then. So parang, yes, this is your passion. Yes, you're happy doing this, but you also need to pay the bills. You also need to live.
Yung mga Judith natin.
Yung mga Judith. So, can you also talk more about that? Kung syempre at the start, like, if you're really starting out in the industry, hindi ka agad malaki yung pera na makikita mo. So, how did you go about it? Parang, were there thoughts na you wanted to quit your day job or your full-time job? Or was it for you?
It's actually the other way around.
Oh, okay.
How should I say it? There was one time na kinausap ko na talaga si Direk. Kasi Direk Rodel, sabi ko, I think I need to let go ang theater and commercial TV model and Kasi I have to focus na lang with the other. Alam mo yun? Kasi
Mm.
dumarating yung time na napapagod ka eh.
Yeah.
Pagod ka na and then sasamahan pa ng ibang factors like pressure from work, mga ganyang bagay, pressure from your family and there was a time na I really muntik na talaga that I left this industry and focused my energy more sa work. Kasi at the end of the day, to be honest, it's a leap of faith if you're going to focus only on one career eh. Ito on my experience kasi, hindi siya continuously merong pumapasok. Right? So, what I did on my end, I have to compensate it kasi even though na I'm lucky enough to be in this industry, let's face the reality, I have to pay my bills,
Yeah.
yung bahay, and
Yeah.
everything else. So, good thing na lang, when I entered in this industry, meron na akong full-time job talaga. And that's the one na paying for what I need on a daily basis. Ganyan. And then, kung ano man yung nandito with this industry, it's a supplement. Bonus na siya. Like, for example, nung first time kong nakakuha ng digital ads, diba, dagdag din yun sa kita ko. Diba? And it's really helpful kasi I would say na meron kang extra income na napagkukuhaan.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Tsaka I think it's also very different if you come into the castings na, alam mo yun, yung energy mo, hindi yung energy na needing, that you, I really want this kasi wala akong pera. Pero when you come into the casting and you're there kasi you actually like doing what you're doing. So, I feel like that gives you more of an edge then.
Tsaka output sa akin it's output ko siya eh.
Yeah.
Lahat
Creative
ng
output.
stress ko sa sa work, sa araw-araw na dito ko nilalabas eh. It's either sa theater or commercial modeling. So, yun, siguro hindi ko rin siya mabitawan kasi it's first and foremost passion. Diba, ang tagal na eh. Sabi nga nila na kapag nasimulan mo siya, nasa dugo mo na siya eh. Hindi mo na siya mapakawalan. And at the same time, dito ko nilalabas lahat ng emotions eh. So, sabi nga sa akin ni Direk dati, alam mo, ang ganda ng career mo kasi you have corporate and then at the same time, you have this industry.
That's so nice, yeah.
Yeah, you just have to play along kung paano mo siya pagdidikitin, pagbabalance.
Right.
Yan.
So, we're gonna come back to that, pero may mga questions tayo. Peter, paano po kung gusto mo yung role, na binigay sa inyo, kumbaga dream role mo yung binigay sa'yo, pero yung oras mo sa show mo, pumantay sa oras ng work mo, ano daw pipiliin mo?
Ang complicated naman ang tanong mo, Peter.
Paano ba ang dream role? Parang dream role na may kasamang big actor, gano'n? Or dream role Hollywood?
Siguro, ako kasi, pag-passion kasi, it comes first for me eh. Although, yes, kailangan mong i-work on yung practicality side mo kasi siya yung bubuhay sa'yo araw-araw. Pero kasi dream role na yun eh. It's once in a lifetime, di ba?
Yeah, for sure.
I-grab mo na lang, tapos you just have to work on your time.
Yes, for sure.
Well, may leave naman ako, so...
So, sulitin yung leave.
Sulitin mo naman yung leave. Doon muna ako sa
leave pa. Diba? Tsaka, I really like what you said kasi I really think na in this type of industry, when you have a dream role, that is luck knocking at your door. So, if you really pass on that luck, baka magtampo sa'yo yung swerte.
Exactly.
So, yung corpo naman kasi, pwede mo siyang balikan, di ba? Yung corporate job, you can always find another corporate job. Especially if you already have good history sa corpo. So,
tsaka, once, if that's really a big role na once lang kumatok, i-grab mo na kasi for sure yan, sunod-sunod yan.
Yeah.
Once you jump on that role, sabi natin, sige, medyo malaking role siya. 'Di ba? It's time for you na na makilala ng people, 'di ba? Yun naman yung goal natin at the end of the day, 'di ba? It's for us to go on mainstream per se.
Yeah.
So why not grab it? Gawan mo ng paraan yung isa. It depends on your option, nasa sayo yan. But for me kasi, it's my passion eh. And again, sabi ko nga, minsan lang dumating to, papalampasin mo pa ba?
True.
Diba?
Wow. Ulitin
Mm.
mo nga ulit mo sa camera.
Papalampasin mo pa ba?
That's so nice. That's so nice. Thank you for that question, Peter. Let's see naman si Bebs. Hello, Ate Bebs.
Bebs.
Pagkakaalala ko, nag-nurse din si Kuya Deven. Correct me if I'm wrong. Do you have a plan in the future to pursue nursing? Yes or no? And why? Nag-nurse ka?
Nurse ako actually. I'm a registered nurse by profession.
Hindi ko na alam. Nurse ka nung nag-meet tayo or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano ba? Well, actually, Bebs, no, currently right now, I'm in an insurance, healthcare insurance yung hawak ko in US. So, they really need someone who have license here in the Philippines. So, technically, nagagamit ko pa rin yung lisensya ko. But, if you're asking about clinical setting na in the hospital, ganyan, for now, I think wala pa. But who knows, sooner or later, di ba sa ibang bansa, lalo na if it's still open. Kasi, well, actually, plan ko talagang to take the NCLEX.
What's that? For US?
It's an exam for US para makapag-practice ka ng nursing in US. But, nung nagpa-astro, nakwento ko pa tayo yung astrology, di ba?
Okay, yeah.
Di ba we do the astrology here with Direct? Lumabas kasi that I need to do something in my academe.
Okay.
And isa yun sa pumasok. So I think later quarter of the year siguro I'm planning to take as well the NCLEX. And hopefully, tignan natin, di ba? For now, I don't have a plan yet, but I'm looking forward to that. Yun. But for now, I don't have plan yet.
I see. Pero you're not closing the door completely.
Yeah. Half lang.
Half lang. Konti lang.
Yun nakakasilip pa rin yung swerte.
True. So, let's see the comments. Hello, Veron Francisco.
Hi, Boss Veron.
Hello po, Boss Veron. Matthew Ducosin. Shout out naman kami.
Ay, they are my QAs. They're my people. Hi, guys. Hey, Matt.
Taray ni Dan Carl Joseph Carlo.
It's AM kasi it's assistant manager.
Okay.
So, yun. Hey, guys.
Wow, they're here to support you.
Nagulat naman ako. Nandiyan sila.
Hello, good evening, Candy Cotton. Welcome back. So, going back to the topic, what can you say is like the biggest challenge you've had so far?
Biggest challenge in terms of siguro yung there was a time that I need to give up the role. Meron kasing isa na how should I say it? Nagkaroon kasi ako ng problem with I think you know that. Nagkaroon ako ng problem big with anxiety and depression. Diba? And there was a time na muntik ko nang bitawan talaga. But hopefully because of the people around me, yan, nalampasan natin. So siguro yun lang yung masasabi ko for now. Kasi I know lahat ng people dito, they are very supportive. No, actually, it's a family. Yun ang nagustuhan ko rito. Hindi mo siya ma-feel na, hoy, in-hire lang kita as actor or hinire lang kita as production staff. No. Ang ma-feel mo dito, they are like family. Which is good kasi tinulungan nila ako talaga na mag-move forward. It's really a phase, di ba? Sabi nila sa akin. So, yun.
How did you get over that thing? That whole experience?
Medyo
Kasi
mahirap
mahirap nga, di ba? It really is hard.
It is. Siguro, the easiest, or the easiest, no. Kinausap ko si Derek, and what he mentioned is that kailangan ng support system. So that's why he asked me, gusto mo ba dito ka muna? So that at least we have someone to look for you. Yun, and then prayers lang talaga.
Yeah.
Yun.
I'm happy you got through it.
Yeah. So we're here.
For sure. Can we see some more comments? Sabi ni Matthew, haha, mag-i-in na kasi kami eh. Elijah, shout out mo daw si Ellie. Kasi yung
Ay,
pasalubong niya galing Bora.
ay, yan. Paing na kasi alas 8 shift namin.
Malapit na. Sakto naman tayo, alas 8 matatapos.
Yeah.
So, in relation to that, parang, what do you think is the biggest lesson that you picked up from that whole experience?
Ah, ano ba? Di ba we have the saying na no man is an island.
Mm.
If you have problems, siguro it's really good to share it with your close friends.
Mm.
Kasi, para kasing naging independent tayo masyado.
Yeah.
Kaya ko to, masusolusyonan ko to mag-isa, hanggang nag-breakdown ka na lang. So, siguro what I would suggest pag mga ganon is that open up with your close friends. No, kasi at the end of the day, sila yung tutulong sa'yo.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
That's beautiful.
just open it. Well, syempre, kailangan mo rin gumawa ng paraan on your end, di ba?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, ikaw lang din naman makakatalo niya sa sarili mo eh.
Yeah.
So, but opening it with your friends or someone na pinagkakatiwalaan mo talaga, it would really help.
Yeah, for sure. Really, especially yung mga ganun na the battle is really inside of you. You really need to open up to someone you can trust.
Yes.
Kasi yung sarili mo yung kalaban mo dun, di ba? And ang hirap na you're really just stuck alone. So you really
Yes.
need people around you. And you're really blessed to have a lot of people supporting you and like being
Yeah.
there for you.
And ang mahirap doon, it's like, you just have to pretend na everything is okay, lalo na kapag, kasi ako, ang mindset ko kapag trabaho tayo eh. So, ang dami nang tumatakbo sa isip mo, pero kailangan mo maging professional. Eh, may mga tao, so hindi ko po pwedeng ilabas to.
Yeah.
Hanggang sumabog ka na lang. So yun nga, you just really need to find someone for those na they have silent battles. Diba? Find someone to talk to. Ano nga ba isang show natin? Sabi is, seek help with other people. Ganyan, Daphne and the Olympians. Daphne and the Olympians, one of our plug, diba?
Plug.
And, but it's true. Mental health is a serious problem. Hindi siya kaartehan ng, ano ba yun, arte-arte naman nito. It's as same or as important of medical problems, no?
I'd say it's even harder kasi if you have other medical problems, pwede mong daanan sa gamot. Kunyari, may sugat ka, pwede mong daanan sa betadine, or may gastro issues ka, pwede mong daanan sa gamot. Pero if the problem is nasa loob ng utak mo, parang wala, paano, di ba?
Paano? And you feel helpless.
Yeah,
ganyan.
so it's really important you have other...
It's really important that you have the support system.
Right. So, we have other questions sa comments. I see my mom. Hello, Ate Ana, we love you. Love you, Mama.
Hello po.
Iyan, question ni Matthew is, AM, may question kami. Kapag may opportunity sa Viva Max, would you get it po ba?
So, pagagalitan tayo ni Direk.
What if na lang? What if lang, no?
If?
What if, sabi ni Direk, choice mo yan. Anong choice mo?
Well, siguro, it depends eh. Well, we know that Viva Max, yung mga contents, it's something na medyo for adults, no? For mature roles, and physically, and mentally. Feeling ko hindi pa ako ready for those roles.
Yes.
Yeah, so, siguro 2 years from now. Joke.
Antayin natin sa mag-gym, mag-workout, char.
Yan.
I love that. And I really like you acknowledge like physically and mentally. Kasi if you do get into roles like that, it will take a mental toll on you. Kasi, hindi ko nila lahat, pero I have talked to like some people who are like doing those kinds of projects. It really does something to your mind somehow. Kasi you're really, alam mo yun, you're really opening yourself up for like literally like showing everything of you, and it's just it takes a lot mentally. So
exactly.
Yeah. And if you think na hindi mo kaya, wag mo nang i-risk.
Kasi lalo na ngayon, social media ngayon, cut, post.
Yeah.
Diba? So, if you're okay with that, to flaunt your body, then go. Go for it.
True.
Yun.
Ayan, si Karina! We miss you!
Karina!
Sabi niya, pero ang hirap din kung kanino magtitiwala. Oo.
Yun lang.
True. Totoo, totoo. Yeah. Sabi ni Ellie, miss you AM.
Ay, Lay.
Hello, Charles. Good eve
Uy,
po.
Charles.
So, guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Tapos sasagutin ni Deven for you. Pero I do have a question. Since you do modeling and you do theater then, and you also have screen projects, siguro for those people who are yet to be inside the industry, meron bang difference with like how you process as an actor inside the like theater projects, inside commercials, and inside screen?
Okay. That's a tricky question kasi first and foremost, lahat yan kailangan mong gawa ng characters.
Mm-mm.
Right? However, yung preparation is different.
Mm-mm.
Kasi in theater, walang cut dyan.
Mm.
Kailangan, pag yung character ka, all throughout, kailangan yung character ka. Not unlike if it's a series or
Yeah.
film, pwede mo i-cut eh.
Yeah.
And,
Sa theater, pa nagkamali, panindigan mo yon.
yan, kailangan mong itawid yun.
Kailangan mo
Diyos ko.
itawid yun.
Pagkatapos nun, sandamakmak ang notes pa rin. Diba? And, well, yeah, meron talaga, there's a specific way on to kung paano mo i-handle
Mm-mm.
yung preparation mo on those kinds of shows per se. But overall, I would say parang wala naman. Kasi you still need to build your character. You still need to know your lines. Dapat kinounter-text mo siya, counter-text. Yun, kailangan alam mo kung ano yung meaning ng lines mo before you throw it.
Yeah.
Diba? It would only depend siguro kung gaano mo siya katagal i-hold or kailan ka ba dapat maging ready. Kasi sabi ko nga, it can be cut kapag film, di ba? Pero pag theater talaga hindi pwede. Kung ano yung binigay mo nung umpisa hanggang end na yun.
Yeah, for sure. I love that. There's a better sense of commitment, no? Kapag sa theater, kasi you really have to, magkamali ka, wala kang choice, nasa stage ka, kailangan mong panindigan.
Yes.
Yeah. Pero as I may add then, siguro it's also different the way you position yourself. Kasi sa theater, the audience, most, like 80% of the show, nasa harap lang yung audience. Pero with like, sa screen, you really need to be aware of the camera, kung asan yung camera mo. So,
yeah. Good thing you've mentioned that kasi if film talaga, kailangan mong hanapin yung frames mo and yung angles mo.
Yes.
Yeah, that's one difference. Kapag theater versus film you should know your angle, nasan yung frame mo, sinong camera yung susundan mo. Ganyan, but not unlike with theater, lahat yan, no? You have to cater them all.
Yeah, for sure. Let's see, comments po. Charles, taray sa flaunt your body, meron po bang floss your teeth? Huh?
Ano daw, Charles?
Inside joke niyo ba yan? Sabi ni Karina, hello my loves. Hello.
Hey.
And then sabi ni Charles, ang Barbie nung boses ni Kuya Deven.
Sorry, medyo nagre-recover pa yung boses ko. So,
hello, Blaze. Hi. May comment siya doon. True, ang sexy na Deven.
Ay, thank you,
Pwede nang,
Pwede na ba ako mag-viva? Pagalitan tayo sa baba.
Okay, guys, if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Malapit na tayo mag-close, so make sure your questions are all in for Deven. So I do have a question, siguro for like advice to the younger people. What would you advise or say to someone who also dreams of being inside of the industry, pero takot sila and they have their own self-doubts?
Siguro, guys, it would start with confidence. Kasi I'll be honest with you, hindi siya madaling i-penetrate. Hindi siya madaling pasukin. Pero simple lang don't stop. Pag may nakita kang auditions, go. Go for it. And then, you just have to be prepared. Kasi hindi rin po pwede na sumabak ka sa gera na wala kang dalang bala.
True.
Siguro for you to gain your confidence, start looking for a production team or someone that would help you build your skills through workshops,
Yeah.
ganyan,
Practice.
practice speaking, kasi kailangan mo talaga yun eh. Dapat magaling kang magsalita. And kung anong talent meron ka, singing man yan, dancing, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-practice ng i-practice.
Yeah, for sure. Practice.
So in short, kailangan mo maghanap na, hindi, joke lang,
Kailangan maghanap ng
ng management. Hindi, joke lang. Just kidding. Maybe perhaps you have to start with working on yourself. Kung hindi mo pa afford ang workshops right now, start with physically.
Yeah.
Ano bang gusto mong gamitin as instrument kung papasok ka in this kind of industry?
Yeah.
So gusto mo ba, kung ang gusto mo is like yung mga boy next door type, or yung mga pang leading lady na type, ganyan, then you have to work on yourself.
Yeah. Pero at the same time, parang you also need to be realistic on who you are. Kasi, syempre, we all have our own insecurities. Pero at the same time, you don't know, maybe that insecurity might even be your sharp edge sa industry, di ba?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, reality check din.
Reality check, yeah. For sure. Let's look at the comment section. Sabi ni Gerald, the show must go on talaga. Hi, Daven.
Hi.
Sabi ni Jaline, oh, is this your mom?
Hi, si Mama.
Hello
Hi, Ma.
po. Hello, Nak. Go. And then sabi ni Joseph, go AM King, pasok ka na sa office, di na kami galit. Willing na daw sila magpalibre ng coffee.
Hindi pa kasi ako nakabalik ng office eh. Kasi, di ba, I just came out from from my hospitalization. So, hindi pa ako pwedeng yung maraming tao. But soon, next week, I'll see you guys.
Yes. Thank you for being here though, even if nakalabas mo ng hospital.
Pero okay lang. Katabi, andyan lang na may bahay.
Andyan lang may bahay nyo.
Lapit lang.
Okay, gets. So, any more questions? Wala na? Okay, so I have a last question for us. If you would give an advice to your younger self, what would it be? Siguro in general na lang, not career. Siguro sa life, ganyan.
Siguro hindi advice. Babatukan ko yung sarili ko. Okay, umayos ka. Siguro, I would say na, alam mo, enjoy these days. Na nandiyan ka sa, during this time, me as bata, na kasi when you get older, you come to experience the reality of life. No? Pero syempre, you have to continue kung ano yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. And then syempre, wag kang susuko. Kasi hindi naman hindi lang snap of a finger kung ano meron tayo ngayon. Yun na yun eh. 'Di ba? It's really a struggle when I'm trying to get my license as nurse, 'di ba? Hanggang sa naging nurse ako. Na-assign tayo sa different wards, and then I've come to insurances, di ba? Work tayo dyan hanggang sa makapasok tayo sa isang professional company, di ba? Like the First Sun Production. So, just don't stop. And mag-ipon ka na ng luck habang bata ka pa.
Mag-ipon ka habang bata ka pa, guys.
Habang bata ka pa, ka na ng lucky charms.
Yeah. Pero, congrats dun sa house mo. You have a house na, right?
Thank you.
Hard work really pays off.
Yes.
For sure. Yeah.
Pero marami pa tayong gagastusin doon. Dami pa for renovation. So.
Pero, that's a big thing. Yeah, you have a house.
Thank you so much po, Lord.
So, that's it. Do we have any more comments? Just so we can read them. Ayan. Last na. Dan, hi, go AM King.
Bakit biglang nagpasukan yung mga
Nagpasukan sila. Inaantay ka na nila, mag-8 na daw kasi.
Mag-8 na daw kasi, maglagin na.
Maglagin na. So,
hey guys.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for being here. We learned a lot from you. So, do you want to plug your social media? Where can they find you? Any future projects?
Yeah, sure. So, guys, you could follow me on my official accounts. For Facebook, it's Daven Noveno. Same with TikTok, it's also Daven Noveno. For IG, it's King_Mo_ako. And then, syempre, with our theater plays with First Sun Production. So, we have Kasing Halaga. HPV Out is coming. Sorry, is it 31? 30. Yeah, and so we have this March 30. And then, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung show namin for Banaag. We also have the Daphne and Olympians. And Monumento, 18, yeah, Monumento. So those are the 4 plays that we have right now, and the first sound production is currently running. So hopefully we'll be able to see you kapag we went to your schools. So yeah, we'll see you there, guys.
Yay! Thank you so much for being with us, guys. Happy Thursday night, and we'll see you next Thursday.
Thank you so much.
Bye!